You're not supposed to be at the position you're at right now. Why are you stuck in the same spot that you're in right now? I'm gonna say it again, you're too talented, you're too gifted, you shouldn't be in the position that you're in right now. Why are you stuck right there? Who's keeping you there? I need you to look yourself in the mirror. And I know it's difficult to look yourself in the mirror, especially when you know you haven't been doing everything that you should be doing. You haven't been maximizing your potential in every single thing that you do. You haven't been taking every single opportunity. I know it's hard to look yourself in the mirror when deep down you know that you should be doing more and that you could be doing more, but you're not doing more for whatever reason. You know, whether it's fear, whether it's because of this thing over here, whatever it is, you know that you're not doing everything that you should be doing, and you're aware that you have all the ability to do the things to get you the $1 million, to get you that business that you want, to get you to the point that you want to be in life, but you're not there right now. Why is that? And some of you are going to use the excuse, especially this year, well, 2020 was a rough year. I get it, that's valid. But on the other side of that, there are people that have flourished in this climate. There's people that have flourished in these rough times. They found a way to bust through. They found a way to work through it. They found a way to succeed in it. So if that's the case, what was the line? What was the fine line between them and you? It's not because they're better than you. No. It's not because they're more talented than you. No. It's not because they have more gifts. No. It's not because they had more opportunities. No. You might have had the same opportunities. You might be just as gifted as they are. You might be just as talented as they are. What was the fine line? I'm asking you the question. That's a rhetorical question, because the answers are going to be different depending on who I ask, depending on who's watching this video. Their views and perspectives may be different. Because at some point, we got to stop making those excuses. We got to stop, pointing the finger at all these other things. I say it to you all the time. There has to come a point when enough is enough. And I want to ask you, when is that point going to come? How much longer are you going to blame other people as to why you're stuck at the position you're in right now in your life? How much longer are you going to sit there and cry and moan about how things aren't what you thought they were going to be? How many times are you going to use 2020 as your excuse? Understand 2020 has been a weird year. I agree with you on that 1000%. But the fact of the matter is, there was a lot of people who flourished in this climate. Talking people did a complete 180 like this. COVID-19, everything that's been happening, the quarantine, being stuck at home and things like that. This has actually aided them. It's assisted them into doing the things that they want to do, because some people might have lost jobs. Some people might have had to transition to a whole different job, a whole different scenery. There was a lot of people where this year actually helped them, believe it or not. Why aren't you succeeding this year? Look yourself in the mirror, and I need you to dig deep and find the root cause. Why aren't you succeeding? Do a root cause analysis. If you need to write it down, you write it down. Grab a pen, grab a notebook, go on your phone notes, whatever you need to do. Find a root cause for why you aren't succeeding right now. I'm not perfect. I'm doing the same exact thing. I've done the crying, I've done the moaning, I've done the complaining. I've had the headaches, the heartaches as to why I'm not, in the position I want to be right now in my life, and I'm seeing everybody else around me doing the damn thing every single day. I'm past that point. Now it's finding out why. What am I not doing? What can I do more of? What can I be better at? What can I improve on? You're with yourself every single day. You should know that. Some of you spend too much time looking for somebody else to tell you what's wrong with you when you're supposed to be the answer for that question. 2020 is not over. I know the first 8 months have been rough. It's been weird. I understand. But a lot can happen in 3.5 months. Who knows what can happen? You might be struggling right now. By the time 2021 starts, you'll be the next big business owner. Maybe you'll be on your way to making 6 figures. Who knows? All I know, for me and you, future public figures of the world, future successful people in the world, we have to get from the bottom. We have to pick ourselves up from the bottom and start working our way towards the top. And we can't do that until we dig deep within and find out what the hell's going on. Find the root cause to the problem. Find the root cause as to why you aren't doing the things that you want to do. Because there's still a lot of opportunities on the table that we have to take, that we have to take advantage of, because they may not be there forever. And you don't want somebody else to take that opportunity, like I said, not because they're better than you, not because they're more talented than you, but because they prepared themselves to take the opportunity while you were sitting in the corner talking about, oh man, I don't know if this opportunity is going to work. Get your butt from the bottom, work your way into the life that you want.